Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Government seeks immediate National Assembly session to end uncertainty. Choose Islamabad. The government on Wednesday requested National Assembly Speaker Asad Kaisar to immediately convene a session of the lower house of Parliament and allow tabling of a no confidence motion by the opposition to rid the nation of the prevailing uncertainty and chose para. The government gain and warned the opposition that it would face the worst situation if it is no trust move failed para. We request the speaker to immediately present the motion in the house because the country cannot afford the prevailing crisis. Information Minister Fawad Chaudhary said at a press conference para. On the other hand, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Political Affairs Shahbaz Gill at a separate press conference warned the opposition that it would face hard time once Prime Minister Imran Khan clenched the vote of confidence from the House para. The opposition had on Tuesday submitted to the National Assembly Secretariat a no confidence motion against the Prime Minister and also requested the National Assembly because it is currently not in session. Fawad Chaudhary said the ruling PTI had the support of at least 184 lawmakers in the National Assembly, sufficient to defeat the opposition's motion. I challenge the opposition to bring the motion to the House if they have 172 members, he added para. The minister said the government would not hold any talks with the opposition, adding that we tried to talk to them on electoral reforms and other matters of public interest, but they did not respond to us. He said the fading popularity of the Pakistan People's Party and PMLN, the two main opposition parties, due to their corruption, would result in their downfall. Asked if the allies still stood by the government, Mr. Chaudhary said good meetings were held with them and they were with the strong government. Matters are in super control and you will see more clearly in the next 1 to 2 days, he added. Separately, on Wednesday, the cabinet member responsible for parliamentary business, has revealed that government members are unlikely to attend the National Assembly session requested by the opposition. Advisor to the PM on Parliamentary Affairs, Babar Aman, told the news that the ruling coalition had decided that its members would abstain from voting on the no trust resolution. Mr. Aman also hinted that the National Assembly Speaker might convene the sitting of the lower house at some other place, as the main hall of the assembly was presently undergoing renovation. If anything is found in order vis-a-vis motion, members of PTI and its allies won't be in the house, the speaker will go there. I can't cast my vote, so I will also be there, said Mr. Aman while elaborating the government's plan. Full stop.